For the cup, I had to use 54 bottles, 3 holes per bottle, so a lot of broken bottles before getting 54 bottles.
Okay.
Perfect. So I have the water in the bottle with some Terra brick, and then I have some amazing Cymbidium. So we have some mini Cymbidium and big Cymbidium, always in the autumn colors: caramel, gold, burgundy, light pink as well to make a little bit of contrast. I have some dry leaves as well, and I will add some very nice anthurium, some rose hip like this. So I'm heating up the stems of the anthurium to make it more flexible, to play with the curvy line of the stem. Now it's miscanthus time because it brings more autumn spirits in the design. And I think this design is really connected with the autumn season, because with the wine that we have to take from the grapes, yeah. So I think it's a really seasonal design.